Today we present to you ANENG's high-precision multimeter, compact and portable body, simple and easy to use on the front. Comes with bracket on the back. Second change mini workbench, available in 2 colors. Open the back cover bracket, unscrew. Remove the lid. Load to AAA batteries. Put back the lid. Screw it. Can work. Let's find out. DC voltage. Positive and negative electrodes need to be divided. Common batteries are direct current. Press the set key to switch to AC voltage. Household electricity is generally around 220 volts. Screw to the next gear. Resistance detection range is very large. Coverage from appliance repair to chip-level diagnostics. Press the set key to switch to diode, forward conduction, reverse cutoff. Diode lamp feeds can be lit. Press the set key to switch to on-off. Beep can detect whether the line is turned on. General rules Ming. If it is not common, it will not sound. Fuses are also detectable. This doesn't ring. Pull it out and see if it's broken. Screw to the next gear. Capacitor. You need to discharge power before capacitance detection. No need to distinguish between positive and negative electrodes. Screw to NCV Non-Contact Induced Voltage. The closer the distance to the voltage, the louder the alarm when testing the line. Just follow the line. The alarm stopped. That's where the breakpoint is. Direct repair. Screw to the next gear. Current detection. This is a very small current. If you don't know how much the detection current is, it should be screwed to the next gear for testing. Measurable up to 10 amps. The DC current needs to be divided into positive and negative electrodes. Press the set key to switch to AC current detection. Pay attention when detecting current. It needs to be connected in series to the circuit. Press the H key to maintain the current value.